India boasts of different kinds of classical and folk dance forms. Dance revitalizes the mind and soul, and watching a performance in the backdrop of artistically carved and magnificently lit temples and monuments is a surreal experience. Today, we take you to a similar setting of the International Odissi Dance Festival, which mesmerized the audiences.
Donned in traditional outfits, classical dancers from around the country participated in a 5-day-long International Odissi Dance Festival to showcase their talent. The festival promoted the rich culture of India's Odisha state. Each year, this international festival is organized by the government of Odisha with the help of Guru Kelu Charan Mohapatra Odissi Research Centre in Bhubaneswar. Dancers from Indian states like Gujarat, Bangalore, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra took part and left the audience awestruck with their performance. Due to ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, international artists were not able to make it to the festival this year.
We are really feeling proud, and also I'm quite delighted that I was able to perform in an international festival at this age.
The festival gives an opportunity to local artists to showcase their talent and show their expertise in the field of art, music, dance and theatre. It helps dancers to get trained under different gurus from different parts of the globe, besides getting to interact, improvise and learn from each other. But this year, Odissi dancers were practicing virtually to prevent the spread of the coronavirus.
This International Odissi Dance Festival is the annual feature of Odissi Research Centre. Now, more than 1 decade, almost 14 years, we have been doing this. But the date is always fixed from 26th to 30th of December. And here, if you calculate all the 5 days, so you will find more than 500 artists, dancers and musicians, calculating all. And they represent from all over the world, international artists. And this is the platform we give to the budding artist and to the establish the middle group and the celebrities.
The 5-day event is a confluence of Odissi art and culture aimed at celebrating the love for the age-old traditional classical dance form. Even it gave a good opportunity for budding artists.
We are actually feeling very happy because at this corona time it has been organized for us, and we are the dancers. We are not getting any platform, and in this corona time it is actually organized, so we are very happy and lucky to perform here. And last year we used to dance at Rabindra Mandap, which was actually organized in a very large after from internationally dancers also used to come, but this time only Indian dancers are coming here and performing. But we are also happy since this is organized here.
Such festival represent the rich culture and traditional heritage of Odisha and preserve it for coming generations.